Some bills are meant to entertain people or appease people. People think it is a reformist step, but at the end, such kind of bills leads to a drastic disaster. Some kind of examples of these bills or these schemes are Mandal Commission Bill of 1990. This bill was being passed without even having actual data of OBC population present in India, which led to a drastic vote bank politics in future. After Mandal Commission, a big step towards reservation has been taken during 2006, where 27% of reservation has been given to OBC in government and private colleges, because of which massive protests took place. Government thought that it is a reformist step to develop India, but it led to many reservation demands in future. People started to ask reservations even in regional conditions, like Maharashtra's Maratha quota, in Karnataka Lingayats quota, and some politicians are even planning to subcategorize OBC, where OBC is from before itself a subcategory of BC. So today in National Info Crypto, we are going to see how this 2006 reservation bill has affected India and what are its negative impact. So let's get started. First, before I say about 2006 reservation bill, first let us see how this OBC reservation bill has started. Mandal Commission has been passed at 1990, which led to OBC getting reservation in their jobs, in government jobs. This led to massive protest, and it was one of the prime reason why VP Singh's government has fell. This led to future demand for reservation. So with application of Mandal Commission, 27% of reservation has been increased in government job for OBCs. There is a saying, when you entertain people, people feel politicians are entertainer, and this has continued for a long time. If you need video regarding Mandal Commission, please comment below. We will try to make video on Mandal Commission as soon as possible. Now let us see how 2006 reservation bill has impacted India. In 2006, UPA led government has passed the bill of OBC reservation, which led to extension of 27% reservation in both government and private sector colleges, because of which many people agitated. This is second biggest protest due to reservation. This protest is also called 2006 anti-reservation protest. This step was being taken by government because at that time Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kerala election took place, and to appease people, government has passed that bill, and many opposition leader had called it vote bank politics. This step also led to decrease of seats for OC, general and BC categories from 77.5% to 51%. Many students from IIT, NIT has made a peaceful march, and they also wrote letter for President APJ Abdul Kalam, Election Commission, Dr. Manmohan Singh, but the whole plan were not enough to stop this bill, because main parties like BJP, BSP, Janata Dal, Trinamool Congress and many more stronger parties were with this bill. They were not able to oppose the government, because if they oppose, they were scared that they may lose to OBC category of people, and many students also started to call this vote bank politics, because they thought they were trying to appease one community. This matter was being also taken to Supreme Court, but at the end, Supreme Court was in favor of government. Afterwards, this bill has been passed as 93rd Constitution Amendment in India. This has changed whole Indian politics. Many politicians have started to play vote bank politics for specific communities. Before you comment on this video, I want to say this video is not against any caste or community. This video is here to show how a specific community has been targeted to destroy educational system, how government has played vote bank politics and changed the society, how 2006 93rd Amendment Bill has changed politics of India. If you ask me, any kind of reservation bill is not necessary right now, because the more and more reservation bill we pass, the more and more we degrade the society. We are seeing many people are even asking reservation at regional session. People are asking to subdivide their own caste system. The more caste system gets divided, the more complicated society you may see. If reservation would be solution for upliftment, then many people would have been uplifted way to back 20 years before. SC/ST would have developed more till now, but that's not the condition. Even now we find rapes happening with the Dalit in northern areas. We find many Dalits suffering at north, east, west and south India. If this would be solution, it would have been changed all this kind of problem way back. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and yes, wear mask, stay home, stay safe, respect India, Jai Hind.